Now, some persons think that the first day of the new year is a great time to start a new chapter, but according to consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright, setting overly ambitious New Year's resolutions may not be the best way to make a major change. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Health report. It's the second day in the new year, and so most persons would have already set their resolutions. However, consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says sometimes these goals can be unrealistic, and so as time goes by, they get dropped off the resolutions list.
Striving towards something that's reachable and setting specific, defined, clearly defined goals that you can measurable. You should be able to measure your goals. How are you moving on a monthly basis towards your goal, or whatever your time schedule towards achieving that goal? But having specific, defined, and measurable goals are also important.
Dr. Wright says the best approach is to look at ways to make the goals work by having a plan. For instance, Dr. Wright says persons often tell him they want to be happy. But for that to happen, there are some basic things they need to know.
Happiness comes from earned success. Doing things that are you feel that you have accomplished something. Money alone not going to make you happy. Yes, you need it for the basics, but money alone won't do it. And you need to do things, whether at the job, at home, etc., on a day-to-day basis that you feel accomplished.
Exercise is also another resolution set by many Jamaicans. However, over time, this sometimes gets pushed to the back burner.
A better way of doing it would be on Monday morning. Monday, this 7th of January, I'm going to get my sneakers ready, put on my socks, and at time 9 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to go to Gym X, and I've already paid my dues, and I'm going to start exercising on a daily basis. And you take out the shoes from Saturday or Sunday, and you have it all ready.
Getting social support by having someone to hold you accountable to your goal is also another critical component if the resolution is to be achieved. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. Health report.